Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 1st, the first day of the month of May 2022. We are going to talk about Decentraland or Mana and try to answer the question, is it a bust? Like, we're going to pay attention to the price chart in Mana to see what the market overall thinks. So welcome to the channel. You guys appreciate the videos. Like I always say, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to ensure you guys stay updated as to what I'm looking forward to regarding price predictions. All right, tap that bell notification so that whenever I create my videos, you guys will be one of the first ones to get a heads up as to where I'm looking for price to go. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this because I did a video in Decentraland on April the 23rd, right? It was just a follow-on video because I was expecting Mana to fall in price since March the 14th, 2022. You all can clearly tell that that has actually come to fruition now. It panned out. We got it correct. We got it right. But it took a while. April the 29th, 2022 is when the price in Mana finally came through our ultimate TB price of around 25%. So now I'm coming through talking about Mana again to see if we are still in a weakness phase. Because naturally, looking at what happened recently in Mana, breaking this horizontal line tells us that yes, we're still weak. Nothing has changed. I've been weak into the market in Mana since March the 14th, and here it is beginning the 1st of May, and the market is still exhibiting weakness. Yes. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of that. Pretty good call there. We need to talk because the market here in Mana decided not to hold here. The buyers decided not to hold $1.70. So now we got to try to determine, where do you think the buyers are at next? Guess what? Historically, the market has already determined where we could possibly see buyers. So I'm going to take this horizontal line, right? And I'm going to bring it down here because now my next focus area is going to be here. Okay, this is the next area that we are going to focus in on, looking for Mana to find buyers around 100 and 100. I know many of you wish that Mana was $100 something, but right here around $1.20. Okay, that's going to be our next focus area. We already know that the overall downtrend is still intact, so all we have to do is literally continue to follow the trend. This cryptocurrency is in a downtrend. Like, let's not confuse the whole matter. This is a weakness phase right now that's going on in Mana. The biggest thing I want you all to see is that the ultimate goal of where buyers may come in could be here, right? So let me go ahead and drop this off. It could be here because this is the overall long-term trend into the market in Mana. You guys can see how many times buyers came and bounced price off that line. This could be the ultimate goal to where the buyers are at. So guess what? I'm now going to put this on the chart because I want us to pay attention to see if the buyers will actually come through here and hold Mana's price on the trend. This trend now is going to play a role as to what we're going to expect going forward into the market in Mana. All right. So now let's go ahead and look at the chart from a monthly perspective. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the monthly chart because we are starting off in a new month. So let's look how the last month ended. Look at that. That doesn't look good, does it? Like, you all can see that last month price action in Mana wasn't bullish. I don't care what anyone says on YouTube or Twitter or any other social media platforms. What happened last month in Mana? It wasn't bullish. And seeing how price in Mana could not hold this on a monthly time frame as support is terrible. And then us seeing that price cannot hold $1.70 is also terrible. Like, come on. It's there. The market literally tells us what the majority of the behavior of those market participants are. Many of them are weak. Many of them are selling their positions in Decentraland. We haven't found the buyers yet. Is pretty much the point that I'm trying to get across to everyone. We haven't found them. They're not yet to be found at all of these price levels of us looking for Mana going down. We didn't find buyers. So now we got to go down a little bit lower. Where are they at? Like I said, $1.10 towards this ascending line is the best guess that we have. in predicting and thinking of a probabilistic chance as to where we can find buyers. They have to show up there. They have to, because if they don't, then Decentraland is in major, major trouble. So now, that doesn't look good. Looking at Mana on the weekly, we got 8 hours and 19 minutes left. I already know, even if I do see price in Mana go up, if price doesn't trade above $1.70 first, and then ultimately trade above $2, I already know that the move is not real. And then you still have this descending line. So all of those restriction levels that I've just mentioned, the buyers got a big job ahead of them just for them to lift price. They have a massive job ahead of them. So now, let's go ahead and do the price prediction, right? I'm looking for the market and Mana to come down. All right. This is my first area right here. I'm going to identify it for you. And it kind of resembles that price almost came down there right now. It almost did. So from out the gate, look, don't be surprised to see the market in Mana go up, because we've been in a downtrend for so long. You would expect the market to try to get some more life back into this cryptocurrency, but the long term doesn't look bullish. Okay. So now we know that $1.70 is weakness. Okay. So I'm gonna hold that there. My first price target, like I said, is around $1.10. That would give us what? Around 26% movement to the downside. And that actually would bring us to the overall long-term trend. So I'm only going to drop one price target. It's going to be around 110. Actually, I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher. It's going to be around 117, $1.15. That gives us around 21.5%. So around $1.17 is the first level. My second one is going to be on that ascending line, or around $1. Okay, which gives us around 31.46% movement to the downside. So again, if price even comes and touches that line, cut the play. Like, we already won. Don't try to get a couple extra profitability percentage points. Like, don't do that. If you're already near your ultimate TP price, you need to definitely take out some profitability. Like, let's not be greedy and try to inch out a couple more dollars. It doesn't make any sense. So I'm here. This is my expectations as to what I'm looking forward to into the market in Mana. It is now your turn. The comment section is open. I want the community, the family, to go ahead and drop some price targets, some price predictions, and let me know, what do you all think? What are you noticing on the price chart? What do you think the people who are invested, who are trading Mana, are going to do next? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.